In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the risk type on Wealthfront in 2025. Let's dive into making adjustments to your investment settings with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to visit the Wealthfront support page, specifically the article on how to change your risk level for your automated investing account. This is your go-to resource, providing clear guidance on what adjustments you can make and how they might impact your investment strategy. Assuming you're using a recommended portfolio, you'll next need to navigate to your automated investing account page. This is where you can review your current settings and determine if any changes are needed. Scroll through your account page until you locate the Edit Portfolio button. Clicking here is an essential step because it opens up options for adjusting your risk settings. Once you're in the editing interface, you'll see options to increase or decrease your risk score. To lower your risk score, simply select the minus button, which might be useful if you're looking to take a more conservative investment approach. Conversely, if you want to increase your risk for potentially higher returns, hit the plus button. This versatility allows you to tailor your investment strategy to your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. After you've made adjustments to your risk score, it's important to save your settings. Make sure you finalize your changes by selecting the appropriate save option. This step ensures that your new risk level is applied to your account and ready to guide your future investments. For those using a custom portfolio who are interested in switching to a recommended portfolio, there are a few extra steps. Visit your automated investing account page once again and look for the option to select your portfolio settings. Usually this is straightforwardly labeled for user convenience. From the available options, choose the recommended portfolio that aligns best with your investment objectives. Wealthfront offers a range of recommended portfolios, each with unique risk and return profiles designed to match different types of investors. Finally, after selecting your desired portfolio, ensure you save these changes by choosing Continue, then clicking Update. This way, your account will now be aligned with your new selections. Remember, adjusting your risk type on Wealthfront is an effective way to align your investments with your current financial situation and goals. Whether you prefer a more aggressive strategy or choose to play it safe, it's always wise to regularly review your risk settings to ensure they reflect any changes in your financial circumstances or market conditions. Thank you for following along this guide. By regularly monitoring and adjusting your risk type, you can take control of your financial future and pave the way toward achieving your investment aspirations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more financial tips and guides.